Okay guys, welcome to HTML and CSS. So we're going to show you quickly how to set up a style attribute in your web page. So here's the basic structure of my web page here. Okay, so we're going to quickly type this up and then start adding some CSS to it. So first things first, you should have opened brackets already. If you've got something open already, don't worry, just click on File and New. This is important. It'll show up here as being untitled, maybe 1, untitled 2. It's important that you save this. So Command S or File, Save As. Okay. And you need to make sure you put it somewhere, like the desktop. Make a new folder. Create HTML and CSS. Okay. Create. The first page you always make is called index, because it's the first page you come across, and it must be called index.html, hypertext markup language. Make sure you have the dot there and that the extension is HTML. Click Save. Now when I start typing, so the first thing I need to type is doc type HTML. So open brackets, exclamation mark, doc type, and then HTML. This tells the browser that this document is document type HTML. Next, we're going to put in the start tag, which is HTML. So if I put on here HTML, you'll see that it automatically adds the end tag with the slash already there. If you haven't saved it as .html, then it won't do this for you. So make sure you have done that. Okay, press enter, go back up and press enter again, and you'll see it's already put an indent for you here, so it's moved it over. So we're going to add the head tag. So we're going to put in head tag, and then we're going to add a title. This is my web page. Okay, so this part of the HTML doesn't get shown on your browser. It is the part that goes to the top and is shown up here. So we're going to add a body tag now. Again, enter. Okay, and we're going to add a paragraph. This is my second web page, because you would have done your first one in year 7. Okay, so that should be it for now. So if I just save that, so you can do it two ways. You can do File, Save, or on the Mac keyboard you can just do Command S, and you'll notice this little dot here, little dot at the top or here at the side, will disappear when I do that. Okay. Now the easy thing then is to go to your desktop and open up the folder that you used it in, and you'll notice it's got this icon that looks like the Google Chrome icon. It may be something else, maybe Safari or some other ones. So if you just double click it, it should open, and it says this is my second web page. So we're going to add some CSS to this now, so because it makes it more design appealing. So we're going to try that next. So we'll just go back to my presentation here. So we're going to add this tag here called the style tag. Okay, and we're going to add a style for paragraph, which starts with P, and it uses these curly brackets here. Okay, so let's go back into our head tag here, type the word style, open and close again, enter, and we're going to add P, and then curly brackets. They're up beside the P key in on the MacBook keyboard. So curly brackets, and we're going to add font size. Okay, and then colon, so that's beside L, 2 dots. I'm going to give it 20 and 20 pt, which is 20 point, and then it should finish with a semicolon. Okay, and we're going to add a font family here as well. So it's going to change the font style. You'll notice it already pops up here, so I can just simply click on it. And we can add this one, KRISTENITC, and then a semicolon. Okay. So if I save this now and press the Command S button or File Save, and go back to my web page here and press the refresh button, you see now it's changed the style of this text. Okay, not sure, so that should work. So give that a go.